Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add the event to your calendar on your TECNO Phantom V Flip. Firstly, open settings calendar application and tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 80th of September. There this plus icon, and first we can add title of our event, what you need. There we can set it when event starts, when which time, this day, and finish, or by the switch we can set it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. Reminder, we can add more than one. But when we choose our reminder we get only notification, but we can set we have also alarm reminders, location of our event, description to that, or we can add this event to another accounts on our Google or something like that. To confirm it, press this icon and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.